We out here first round at Yello Belly at an event called the War Zone. Make sure y'all coming in, hitting that like button, share button, subscribe. Any one of them will work. Right lane with a couple whoppers. So I'm gonna.
I'm gonna get there.
Okay.
Tom Gunner serving whoppers.
Tom Gunner serving
Small
whoppers.
tire to the lane.
Yeah.
Small tire to the lane. Look out, look out. One time for the one time.
They coming up, y'all.
Small tire.
No tree, y'all. No tree.
Small tire.
We got Bobby Bryan in here. Okay. Oh, we got Tony Thorne pulling back up. Oh, let's see if we see a difference. Make sure y'all hitting that like button as y'all get up in here, so y'all can help me. Help me. Oh, what they doing now? I don't know what done happened, y'all. Okay. I had to go and use my iPhone tonight, y'all. Can you tell the difference? Boost Lee, Power Stroke Syndicate. Can you tell the difference from when I pull that iPhone out? No, I don't need no charge. I brought a charger today.
Man.
Von Belmont. Okay, here we go right here. Okay. We got James Brown in the building, y'all. We got James Brown in the building. He wants some peace and quiet. Maybe he at the wrong place. And I just seen out there. Yeah, he fixed it that quick. Everything good with it. Dang, I might should have got my gimbal. Ain't no time this track closed. We open all night. Open all night to the daylight. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Hit that button. Where y'all going? Y'all saying he gonna make a full pass or no full pass?
got all these short cameramen trying to stick their cameras over Ronnie.
Yeah.
Ronnie needs to get behind me, man.
Running blind.
Oh, you
Running needs some new glasses.
We almost had to have a media meeting with Dan. Like, he almost called a meeting because we needed to learn how to work together better, and he was trying to manage.
No, I'm going to find somebody.
This is the most extra event. Something's gonna happen tonight.
While I'm in the
A lot of
TSV,
egos tonight.
we got the Stone Vet in the building, guys.
2 streets to the danger lane.
Keep thinking of
2
bumping into somebody.
streets. Bring it to the danger lane. 2 streets. Bring it to the danger lane, please. 2 streets to the danger lane.
Oh, you Cookie the Prince brought that Buchanan's. Where he at? Okay, here we go. We got a good race coming up. Damn.
Here we go. First round, 2 streets. I mean, small round, okay. 2 streets to the danger lane.
Pro Charger versus Nitrous.